This energy-rated 47 decibel dishwasher by GE has a fingerprint-resistant stainless front with a pocket-style handle and a front-mounted angled smooth touch control panel with 5 wash cycles and several options, including wash zones, an option that lets you choose upper or lower wash only for smaller loads, saving time and conserving energy. Inside is a stainless interior that can accommodate up to 16 place settings. It comes with 3 racks. The upper rack is a cutlery rack dedicated to silverware, long utensils, or small bowls. The middle rack is adjustable with 4 bottle jets designed to direct detergent and water directly inside tall or narrow items. The lower rack comes with a compartmentalized silverware basket. Below the rack is a filter that's easily removable for cleaning. To learn more about dishwashers, check out our buying guide at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.